Today we're going to be taking a closer look at these Red Rock low profile wind deflectors for the front and rear in gloss black, designed for the 2016 to 2023 Tacoma double cabs. These are going to be a great option for Tacoma owners who want to cut down on that wind noise and keep the rain from getting in their windows when they're cracked. If you're someone who likes to drive with your windows down for a little bit of airflow, no matter what the weather is, rain or shine, then these are going to be a really handy upgrade for your truck. These deflectors are built to let you crack your windows open during rain or wind without letting all that weather in. This low profile design is going to keep things sleek and subtle on the side of your truck, and it won't change the look of your truck too much. This nice gloss black finish gives your Tacoma a clean, modern style that blends in great with both stock and aftermarket trim. Function-wise, they help reduce interior wind noise and let you vent heat from the inside of the cab without worrying about the rain dripping in or anything getting in your truck while you're driving. Whether you're parked or you're cruising, you'll notice the difference right away. They also help cut back on that sun glare coming through the side of the window since they're tinted, which could be a big plus for those long drives. These deflectors are made from an injection molded acrylic material that's nice and lightweight, but it's also tough enough to handle the daily use and exposure to the elements. This gloss black finish isn't just for looks, it also helps resist on that fading and cracking over time, so it'll keep it looking good for years to come. They're designed and contoured specifically for your Tacoma, so you're getting a snug, custom-like fit right out of the box. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $100 price range, and that's a solid deal for something that adds both function and style, especially considering how easy they are to install for everyday benefits that they offer. Installation is a simple peel and stick on process, so we're going to rate this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job knocked out in just 30 minutes of your time. These attach with pre-applied automotive grade adhesive tape right here on the edges, so no tools should be needed. Just make sure you clean that area really well, peel the backing, and press them into place. Now, let's head on out to the shop and they can walk you through that install process to show you exactly how it goes.
Tools required for this install include an alcohol prep pad or isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of wind deflectors on our Tacoma. So let's get started. Now these wind deflectors are in-channel wind deflectors, meaning they're mounted in this channel with double-sided tape. So a very important step is to take an alcohol prep pad and just clean out all of the crap in there. So just go ahead and take that and go all in here, cleaning it out. If you don't have these prep pads, you can just use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. And just get in there, clean it out really well. Do the same thing for the other 3 windows and just give this a good few minutes to dry up before you stick down your wind deflectors. So now once you have everything cleaned off, you can line up, make sure you got the right wind deflector for that window, and then just peel your double-sided tape. And then just slide this into the channel. I'm pressing back on it so the double-sided tape doesn't stick until it's up in there. And then just pull it towards you to stick it down in that channel. And now the one for the rear is slightly different, but the exact same install process. Peel that double-sided tape. I'm pushing into the car so the double-sided tape doesn't stick until it's in place. And then just pull that back towards you. Stick it down, and then repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock low profile window deflectors for the front and rear in gloss black for your 2016 to 23 Tacoma double cab. Thank you for watching, and for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.